What's up, guys? Today's video is on the best gaming keyboard through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the gaming keyboards, I gave included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with ASUS ROG Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The first RGB mechanical gaming keyboard with ROG RX Red Optical mechanical switches. These switches provide a 100 keystroke lifespan and offer consistent linear keystrokes with immediate response. Each switch also has a central RGB LED that provides all-around lighting for each key. It also features IP57 waterproof and dust resistance, a now-light top cover, as well as a USB 2.0 pass-through. It features a larger control key and stealth keys for FPS gamers, just like all strict scope gaming keyboards. ROG RX Red Optical mechanical shifts were the first ROG to develop. The switches have a 1.5mm actuation points for lightning-fast inputs. This resulted from extensive testing, research, and fine-tuning. For perfect rebound feedback, the initial force of 40 grams is sufficient to prevent accidental keystrokes. It can also go up to 55 grams. The aluminum alloy top plate provides strength and durability to ensure long-lasting, reliable performance. The stealth key is marked with an iconic cloaked figure cap. It instantly hides all apps, mutes all audio, and provides instant privacy whenever you need it. One tap activates it. A second tap brings the apps and audio back up as before. This keyboard is ready for gaming and the daily grind with the quick toggle switch. It toggles the top row between function and media. It's simple to switch between work and play modes. For everyday durability, the keyboard has an aluminum faceplate and is finished with a striking slash design for a touch of style. Strixscope's vibrant per key lighting illuminates it from top to bottom and edge to edge. OrSync allows you to choose from a wide range of lighting effects and colors to create a gaming environment that shines. The lighting can be easily synced to the OR ecosystem. Up next, we have ROCCAT Vulcan Tactile Mechanical PC Gaming Keyboard. It was designed and constructed entirely by ROCCAT engineers. This product is for gamers who like the tactile feel of mechanical switches, but still want the instant responsiveness and crispness of tactile buttons. This smaller factor allows for a larger pad and a bigger range of mouse movements, improving your aiming accuracy. It has advanced anti-hosting technology that is optimized for gamers. This ensures that every keystroke on the most used keys is recorded, no matter how hectic the action may get. ROCCAT's Easy Shift technology gives compatible keys a secondary function. Simply hold the modifier key and you will instantly double your command power. The tactile volume dial and mute button allow you to adjust volume and mute and unmute on the fly. Instant control at your fingertips. ROCCAT's unique lighting ecosystem connects compatible devices to present vivid lighting scenarios straight out of the box without any need for configuration. Full backlighting is available in 16.8 million colors. A detachable USB-C cable has been added to make it more portable, while the onboard profile storage makes sure you get the same high-performance home and abroad. The very next keyboard we have is Razer Huntsman V2 Optical Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The keyboard has sound dampeners to make typing more comfortable. Smooth, consistent switches now respond better with a true 8000 Hz polling rate, which results in lower input latency. It has double-shut PBT keycaps. These keycaps are more durable and harder than regular ones. They don't have a shiny finish and the labels won't fade due to their double-shot molding process. It has a multi-function digital dial with 4 media keys. You can configure them to pause and play, skip, adjust brightness, volume, and more. The solid wrist support perfectly aligns to the keyboard, so that your wrists are less stressed and you feel less fatigue while gaming for long hours. It has hybrid onboard memory and cloud storage. You can be match ready no matter what the situation is. You can save up to 5 onboard memory profiles and build a library with macros and settings for cloud storage. It has sound dampening foam technology. The keyboard's casing is lined with special foam that absorbs any pinging sounds caused by keys being pressed down. Furthermore, we have Cloud9 Ergonomic Mechanical Gaming Keyboard in our list. It has a split keyboard design. It can be separated up to 6.5 inches for wrist and shoulder pain relief while you type. It keeps your hands and arms separated and allows you to type painlessly for up to 8 hours. Side slope 7 degrees built in to keep hands at their natural inward angle. To keep your hands more comfortable, memory foam palm rests are covered in premium vegan leather. They can be easily removed for cleaning. You can easily control volume, toggle applications, scroll web pages, use the app to assign a function or color. Professional-grade mechanical switches offer a long life expectancy and a satisfying typing experience. The switches are easy to read and fully backlit. You can customize the backlight color or select from a pre-programmed lighting flow. It features programmable hotkeys and a USB pass-through port. It can be used for writing emails, programming, and gaming. The ErgoTKL makes it easier and more efficient to do so. We can finish it up with Logitech G915 mechanical gaming keyboard. LightSync technology uses RGB lighting to synchronize lighting with any content. You can personalize each key and create custom animations starting at 16.8 million colors with Logitech G Hub software. Lightspeed Wireless offers pro-grade performance, flexibility, and freedom from cords. It creates a clean look for battle stations. One full charge lasts for 40 hours. Low-profile mechanical switches provide the same speed, accuracy, and performance as a traditional mechanical switch, at half the height. The GL Clicky switch has a distinct sound and tactile feedback. It is available in 3 options: GL Tactile or GL Linear or GL Clicky. The tankless design allows for more mouse movement. The USB receiver can be stored in the back of your keyboard to increase portability. G915 is made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy. It delivers a lightweight, yet strong and durable design. You can enjoy 40 hours of gaming on one charge. Low battery warnings are displayed at 15% on the keyboard LED and via pop-up notification in Logitech G Hub software. Recharges quickly in just 3 hours. If you liked the video and it helped you anyway, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys in later.